Hello everyone, this is Ajay. I'm going to explain you in this lab experiment number 2. In this experiment number 2, it deals with conditional statements using shell scripting. Conditional statements using shell scripting. In this, we need to do 5 programs. 5 programs. One is greatest of 3 numbers, student grade calculation, electricity bill calculator, finding the alphabet in is a vowel or consonant, and the last one is given number is palindrome or not. For this I am having programs. And the first program, this is my program for the first one. First one, echo, it writes the quotations like the greatest of the 3 numbers, and echo enter the first number, enter the first number to write the first number, and enter the second number to write the second number. Similarly, C also, read C. Read C is given. Read C is equal to 0, and if it is a if condition, it is like this: A is greater than or A is greater than to B or not, and A is greater than to C or not. It checks. If it is if the if statement accepted, then it prints the greatest number is A, and Fi it stops, and this F statement starts. If statement like B is greater than to A or not, and it checks B is greater than to C, and it writes the biggest number is $B, and if this if statement is like this: C is greater than, it checks that C is greater than or to A, or C is greater than to B, then it prints the greatest number is C. Now we will see this output. So C is this is my output. Greatest of 3 numbers is printed, and enter the first number. We need to give the first number at 3, and the second number is 6 and 2. See, the biggest number is 6. It gives the biggest number is 6, and the first program completed. And the second program is second one is student grade calculation. For this I am having program, and this is my program for the second one. Echo it prints the grade calculation heading, and echo enter the number of subjects. We need to give the number of subjects. Echo is used read, it will read the number of subjects that is given. Sum is equal to 0. Sum is equal to for loop, it is a for loop also given. I is equal to 0. I is less than dollar and I plus plus. I is I incremental, and do read A, and if you read A, it reads A. Sum is equal to sum plus A, and an average is equal to sum plus n. Sum of the all subjects by divided by number of subjects. Here m is equal to average. It gives the average like this, and if statement if $m is is less than 40, $m is less than 40, average $m is the average, less than 40, it gives the grade like fail. The $m is less than 40 and less than 50, it gives the grade echo C grade. And if this average is greater than 50 and less than 60, it gives B grade. And if average is greater than 60 and less than 70, it gives A grade. And if in this if statement, dollar m the average $m is $m is average. The average is greater than 70 and less than 80, it gives 0 grade. and dollar and average is greater than 80 and greater than 80 and or average is less than 90, it gives the S grade. And similarly, $M is greater than 90 and less than 100, it gives E grade. Let's check our output. See here, grade calculation is there. Here, grade calculation is there. Enter the number of subjects. We need to give the number of subjects like 6 we are given, and we need to give the subject marks. Subject marks 90, 96, 9, 95, 98, 78. The average is 77, 0 grade. We got 0 grade. And the second one is completed. And I'm having the program for third one. Third one is electric bill calculator. Electric bill calculator, I'm having program electric.sh. For this program, I'm having echo electric bill gives the electric bill and enter the number of units consumed. Enter the number of units consumed. And read n will read the number of units. I is the unit number of units. If number of units is less than 50, then the amount echo it will print the amount is 50 rupees 50. It will charge rupees 50 and amount units consumed is greater than 50 or less than 100. Gives gives $a to 4. It will multiply with 4. If multiply with 4, echo then amount is $a. It will gives the A answer. That is the amount charged. And if amount is greater than 100 and less than 300, it goes like this. Then it will I minus 100 will minus 100 and 400 plus $B into 6. It will multiply with 6 and echo the amount is $C. It will print the charge of the $C. It gives the answer. And if amount consumed is greater than 300, then it goes like this. D experience $M minus 200 and is equal to 100 plus $D. It multiply and divided by 9. It gives the amount is $E. That is amount charged. We will see output. Enter the amount of units consumed. So electric bill. Enter the amount of unit consumed. We will give the amount of units consumed is 200. See, the amount is 1000. Here the third one is completed, and the fourth one is its vowel or consonant. You need to check the vowel or consonant. See, this is my program. Echo vowel or consonant. You need to give a character. This read n will read the character which we have given. The character is equal to A. If this if statement is if character A is if character is given is equal to A or E or I or C or U, then it will print $N is vowel. If it is not there, it will print the character is consonant. This is my output. enter a character. We need to give character here. That is, if we give a, it shows oval. And the fourth one also, third one, fourth one also completed. And the fifth one is if given number is palindrome or not. We need to check. Uh, my fifth program is and this is my program for the fifth one. Echo palindrome, echo dollar my dollar and enter a number. You need to enter a number here. It will gives a number to enter, and n reads which we have entered, and SD hovers on while the given number is greater than to 0. It will do this. SD is equal to dollar and percentage dollar model 10, and dollar n is equal to dollar and dollar n divided by 10. Reverse echo reverse dollar SD. Then if dollar on is equivalent to dollar reverse, then number is palindrome. Number is not palindrome, and or else it will gives like number is not palindrome. Let's check the output. Here see, you need to give a palindrome like 1 to 1. Number is a palindrome like 1 5 1 5 1 is a palindrome. And again we will check this other number. Number is not palindrome. 5 experiments are completed. Thank you.